Hello everyone, we're here from this one. It is analyze of these games. So the name of this title of this tournament, FIDE Grand Swiss 2025. So it means the first women's Swiss here. So these are the 10 future players from this women's, and also have between from this Grandmaster in China, Tan Zhongyi, second by Grandmaster in Ukraine, Anna Muzychuk, and third by Grandmaster in Russia, Katarina Lagno, and fourth by Grandmaster in Kazakhstan in Bibisara Azarbeyeva, Grandmaster in India, Harika Dronavali, and Grandmaster in Ukraine, Maria Muzychuk, the siblings of sister by Grandmaster Anna Muzychuk, by related by close by sisters. And also, International Master in Russia, Polina Shovalova, and International Master in Ukraine is Yulia Osmak, and Grandmaster in India, Vaishali Ramesh Babu, the Brotherhood of Pragnananda, and 10th by Grandmaster in Switzerland, Alexandra Kostinuk. So it means so absent from this one, Zhu Zhener, Lei Ting-ji, Alice Lee, Jennifer Yu, and Juan Jun. I thought they would join by FIDE Grand Swiss 2025 because they are absent. So Lu Miaoyi was joined by FIDE Grand Swiss 2025. So let's see from this one. So these are the round 11 Swiss from this one. So these are the starting September 4 and September 15th by FIDE Women's Grand Swiss by this one. By Titas by schedule from this format, from this women's by 11 round Swiss by time controls 19th and 30th, or 30 minutes by added by move here. And also these are the price by FIDE Women's Grand Swiss by $230,000 by prize fund. And also located by this Samarkand, Uzbekistan territory by GM Norderbek up to Saturov and GM Norderbek Yukabuev. So these are 8 Grand Women's Swiss. So next by round number 1 from this one. So I chose up these games here, so it means how many clocks within 1 hour, 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment. And also have a between from this beautiful international master in Kazakhstan is Merivert Kamalidenova versus by woman grandmaster in Russia is Anna Shushman. So in this part of this videos here, we have analyzed of the standings after round number 1 in FIDE Grand Swiss. So white plays Merivert is e4, c5 Shushman Sicilian defense, knight f3, d6. So these are the main lines here is used by move by knight to c6 or e6 by French defense. So Shushman by d6 by moving by Anna Shushman here, and also d4, and also captured exchange variation knight takes d4, and also knight f6 threats the e4, and also knight c3 develops by pawns, and also a6 without no more by bishop to b5 without. So it means these are the moving by this pawn a6 here, and also f4 book lines without f4 by Merivert, or maybe with idea by without move by push to e5 here, and also g6 here without move side by without bishop to g7 without dark square bishop, or without upcoming by castling here, and also e5. So it means without counters attack the pawns and knights here. So these are the threats here, and also good move capture this pawn, threats the knights, takes without threats the knights, and also knight d5, and also queen f3 without move side by queens, and also knight takes captured, and also queen takes knight, and also bishop g7, another good move by Shushman without idea by preparing castling kingside by WGM, and also good move bishop f4 by Merivert without defense here, and also castle kingside by WGM Shushman, and also castling queenside by beautiful Merivert, and also queen b6 here without strongest by Shushman, and also bishop to e2, bishop d7, and also bishop f3. So these are a novelty by battle of these games by bishop f3. So these are the main lines here. So old main lines by by recording by chess.com, king to b1 or rook he1. So these are the old main lines here. So back novelty, this one, bishop f3, no more booklets here, and also rook c8 without threats the queen, so it means does not want of this computer engine by rook c8. So the best occurrency move is knight to c6 here. So if you capture this, knight takes captured, and also bishop takes captured. If you bishop takes c6 here, and also rook ac8. Without rooks, without pins, the queen. So these are the slightly advantage here by whites and blacks here. So slightly advantage here. So back there, this one, rook c8 threats the attacks the queens, and also queen b3 without queen to queen, and Schuschmann in accept queen takes, pawn takes. So these are the ugliness pawn structure without doubles here, and also knight c6 without counters attacks the knights, and also rook he1. So in accept, why don't we knight takes captured? So how do you think from this one, and also bishop takes captured knight? So if you bishop takes captured, and also rook to captured bishop. So these are a examples here. So back there, this one is rook he1 by Merriweather here, and also bishop backwards e8, and also knight takes captured, pawn takes captured, and also push e6, bad move by Merriweather. So the best moves there, this one is rook to d4. So these are a advantage here by best better moves here. So back there, this one is e6 by push by Merriweather, and also bishop f6, brand X move by Schuschmann. So the branded move, this one, pawn f5. So these are the move side here, so it means these are slightly better from blacks here. So back there, this one is bishop f6 here, and also captured by check, bishop takes captured, and also rook d7 without strongest by Merriweather, with idea by battery, and also pawn a5, without next move by a4, counters attacks the pawns here, and also bishop e5 without counters attacks without bishop to bishop, and also bishop g5 check, and also king b1, good move, and also push a4, strongest by Schuschmann, without counters attacks the pawns, without threats the pawns here. So it means these are the bishop without threats, sacrifice, so sacrifice here. And also captured, another bad move by Merriweather. So the best moves there is push to b4. So push b4 here from these ones. These are the slightly advantage by betters by whites here. So these are the highest from this evaluation bar by whites here. So back there, this one is b takes a4 captured, and also rook takes captured. Another good move, excellent, is b3 without threats the rooks. Threatening the rooks here, and also rook a8, rook a8. So that's pronounced by words, so it means rook a8 here, and also g3, without next by h4 pawns, threats the bishop. So it means, so threats upcoming by this h4, and also bishop e6 without threats the rooks, the counters attacks, the temples attacks, and also rook d7, and also rook d8, and also h4 without threats the temples attacks the bishop here, and also bishop to d2 without threats the rooks here, and also rook d1 without rooks, without threats the bishop, or the rooks by without pins the rooks, without pins here, and also king f7. So it means, so these are the evaluation bars, very low from this continent. Bad move by blacks. The best moves there, this one is bishop to d5. So if you capture this, bishop takes capture check, and also rook takes captured. So these are easy advantage here by blacks here. So back there, this one is king f7 here, and also rook f1, and also rook a5. So rook a5 here without threats the bishops here. So the guessing puzzle. So what do you think in idea by best move by Merriweather? So it means sacrifice brilliant move. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop d5 check. Sacrifice. Brilliant move. And also king e8. And also bishop takes capture check. Oh, without captured by check here. And also bishop d7. And sacrifice rook takes captured. So it means rook takes and rook d1. So it means without threats the bishop. For example, why don't we try bishop captured this one? Bishop takes rook without check. And also king captured d7 by bishop and rook to d1. Oh, without threats the rooks or pin. So pinning by checks here. So it means without pins here. So pinning by check by kings here. So these are the something by mouse from this move by tab from this laptop here. So it means rook d1 will attacks the bishop and also battery rook d5. So rook d5 by battery. So it means without doubles, without idea by bishop, without threats the rooks or threats doubles. How do you control here from this one? And also bishop c3 and also king d8 and the last finishing move from this one, bishop takes captured. So it means resigns by WGM Schwarzman in Russia. So why she resigns? For example, so if you move by king takes captured, only move here from this one, and also rook takes captured, bishop here. So if you accept by rook takes captured, and also bishop takes captured here, so bishop takes d2. So if you move by e5 here and also c4, so c4 here, if you move by e4 and also e4, if you move by king to d6 here and also c5 by check, if you move by king to d5 and also king to b2, if you move by king to d4 here and also c6 here, if you move by king to d5, so it means almost by push by pawns to king d6 and also promote c8 queen. So it means these are a fatal. So it means lose from these blocks here. So the score by IM International Master Merriweather 96.8 and score by Schuschmann 86.9. So the winning by round number 1, International Master Merriweather. So it means congratulations. So the next of this second game. So what do you think from this next second game? So let's see, proceed of this one. So the next second games from this one from this team China. So it means same by team from this China from this one. So it means also between from this international master in China, Guo Chi. Oh, I thought like Guo Ping or also known Alice Guo. So it means these are the fake Filipinos or Chinese spy. So these are the last name of this Guo from this one. And also versus by international master in China, Lu Miaoyi, aka Miao Miao. So next of this part of this video, we have analyzed of these second games here. So white plays Guo is d4, knight f6 meow meow, c4, e6 is called East Indian defense here, and also knight f3 is called anti-Nimso Indian here from this East Indian, and also b6 Queen's Indian defense. So it means these are the upcoming light square bishop by bishop to b7 by meow meow, and also pawn g3 without move by bishop to g2. So it means these are the light square bishop here, and also bishop b7 by moving by light square bishop by meow meow without counters attacks, and also bishop g2 without defense the knights without idea by preparing castling by Guo. So it means, so I thought Guo, Guo Ping, Alice Guo. So it means, so bishop g2 and also bishop e7 by meow meow with idea by upcoming by castling, and also castling kingside by Guo, and also castling by meow meow, and also knight c3, knight e4 strongest by meow meow without attacks the knights here, and also knight takes captured, bishop takes captured, and also knight e5 without opening by bishop to bishop, and bishop takes captured, king takes, and also d6 without threats the knights, and also go back knight f3 by Guo, and also c5 without strongest by here by meow meow, or without move by push, without close semi-close by d5 here. So it means without attacks the pawns here, without counters here, and also e4. So these are a novelty by e4 by Guo. So these are the old main lines here. So it means recording by this one b3 captured or queen c2. These are the recording by just chess.com here. So it means, so back there, this one is e4 novelty, no more booklets by Guo, and also capture this pawn, knight takes captured, and also queen c8 without threats the pawns by c4 without threats here from this one, and also queen e2 without develops by defense the pawns, and also knight d7 without move by here by knight to f6 here by next maneuver here, and also bishop e3 by defense the knights, and also rook e8, and also rook fd1. So these are the without solutions, without continuations here from this one, and also queen b7. So it means without threats the pawns, or without pins, without king by check here. So these are the according by moves by meow meow without focusing this one by without solutions, and also decided f3 by defense the pawns without no more by pins by check, and also d5 without threats the pawns, and also capture this pawn, captured, and also captured knight f6 without threats the pawns, or without threats the knights threats the pawns, or queens threats here. So threats the this one. So it means knight threats the pawns or queens threats the pawns here. So these are the without examples, without continuations here. And also bishop backwards f2 by Guo, and also knight takes captured. So it means queen b5. So it means, so how many pawns here? Without 5 pawns, and same by 5 pawns by meow meow here. So it means queen b5 here, and also bishop to c5 without threats the knights here, or maybe without attacks the knights here, threatening the knights, and also rook e1 without rook to rook, and ignoring by rook ed8. So it means example here. So what do you think if your rook takes captured accepted here? Rook takes e1, and also rook takes captured. So these are the examples here. So these are the continuations here. So it means back there is rook ed8 without ignorance, and also rook ad1 without rook pairs, and also rook ac8 without defense the bishop, and also a3 without moves by next by b4 without counters attacks the bishop. So it means without next by b4 or threats the bishop here, and also g6 here, and also queen backwards b3, and also h5 by strongest without meow meow here, and also h4 by stopping the pawns, and also rook d7 without upcoming by battery. So battery here, and also rook d3 without idea by next by battery, and also rook cd8 battery rook ed1, and also a6, and also queen c2 without backwards by guo, and also knight to f6 here without an idea by backwards by meow meow here, and also pawn b4 without threats the bishop. So it means without threats counters attempts the bishops here, or counters attacks the bishop here, and also bishop backwards f8 here. So it means do not capture that bishop captured knight here, and also bishop takes captured. So these are the without diagonals from this one. So it means without diagonals. So diagonals from this one by this without diagonal. So it means, so do not capture the bishop takes captured knight. So it means, so back there is bishop backwards f8, and also knight b3, and also bishop g7 without, or maybe without, these are the ready by attacks the doubles rooks here or battery, and also rook takes captured, rook takes, knight takes captured, and also last shot queen d3. So it means with idea agree piece draw by this one of this game. So it means, so the score by this Gucci 98.4, and also score by Lumiawi Meow Meow 98.9. So winning by I am Meow Meow. So it means, so say that from this one. Alright. Okay, draw. So it means draw from this one. So it means, so draw from this round number 1. So I will next from this one, from this next round number 1, from this International Master so it means Olga, so it means Australia, and International Master Teodoro. So I will analyze of this with Tagalogs and Cebuanos. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Lawagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. So happy Thursday, and bye bye.